Hi everybody, it's Teresa. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share an altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creation. It's an open collaboration that we alter 52 cards in the year. And so today I am doing just a regular playing card, and this is week 28 on July 11th, for Deck the Year. And I made a, what do you call it, a birthday card for my mother-in-law um, last week, and I used some of the papers that was laying on my desk, and then I added these scratch and sniff. I think it was from this, um, from Five Below, that I purchased, I don't know, about a month and a half ago. And when you scratch it, oh, they smell so good. It brings me back to my childhood. I love strawberry shortcake. This was one of my favorites. And then I use some dewdrops. These are from my stash. I don't think it's from Carrie's set, but I have these. They used to be called Pebbles or Skittles or something like that, and these are the ones that I have. But I do have Carrie's ones that I've purchased over the months, and I have this one too. These are Pebbles. They're like frosted, but they're little bitty ones. But yeah, that's why I'm not using Carrie's dewdrops. I should have. I wasn't even thinking about that, to participate in her challenge, but I don't even think these are the colors that are part of her challenge. But so this is my card for week 28. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.